Maintenance.
To stop your electrical system from corroding and failing, it is a good idea to keep your electrical systems dry. You should also keep them clean and, if needed, use a corrosion inhibitor that you spray on the connectors, terminals, etc.
We need to know that most manufacturers recommend a service at least once a year. Batteries should always be secured properly so they can't move, and because they give off gas while charging. Batteries should be located in a ventilated container. Batteries should also be topped up with distilled water. We should carry a spare set of spark plugs and a plug spanner if our motor has spark plugs. When the motor is running, we need to make sure the water pump is working by looking to see if water is coming out the exhaust. Or, if it's an outboard, have a look at the telltale. How often should you service your engine?
1 per year, or per manufacturer recommendation.
Should batteries be secure?
Yes.
Should batteries be in a ventilated container?
Yes.
What type of water do you top batteries up with?
Distilled.
Should you carry a spare set of spark plugs?
Yes.
What tool do you need to change spark plugs?
Spark plug spanner.
How do we know if the water pump is working?
Water coming out.
Fuel problems are the cause of most breakdowns. You should take precautions against all of the following. Do not run out of fuel. Do not get dirt or water, moisture, in the fuel. And do not expose fuel to fire risk. Clean out your portable fuel tanks at least once a year. Before every trip, test the navigation lights. Check the bilge pump works. Check the bilges are clean and dry. Check the steering gear for stiffness. What causes most breakdowns?
Fuel.
Is running out of fuel a problem?
Yes.
Is dirt or water in fuel a problem?
Yes.
Is exposing fuel to fire a risk?
Yes.
How often should you clean out portable fuel tanks?
Once a year.
Before each trip, should you check nav lights?
Yes.
Before each trip, should you check the bilge pump works?
Yes.
Before each trip, should you check the bilges are clean and dry?
Yes.
Before each trip, should you check steering gear for stiffness?
Yes.